How's everybody doing today? This is your boy Sparrow with 100% Crypto. Today we are talking the Bitcoin chart, as we all know. We seem to have got a little bit of a pump here. It has taken us to the top of this descending wedge. As you know, descending wedges usually break to the upside. They're very good reversal patterns. So honestly, in my opinion, I do believe we are going to break up from this. You know, we did lose the major trend, the major overall trend that we fell through on the daily, which was the level where it came from these bottoms and then came across here, then came across here, and then we fell out right here. But we need to get back over that line. Actually, I can show you guys where that line is real quick, just to give you a little idea. Sorry, I'm got to move my screen here a little bit to get the line correctly mid-road. So as you can see, we fell out from that big trend here. Now, when we fell out from this trend here, which was a very long trend, you can see we were in this trend all the way back, and it started on the 21st of July. So this is literally us breaking back out. That's when we broke back out to go back up when we had that bearish drop off from May. Okay, as you can see here in this descending wedge, we are at the bottom of it. Like, we're going to have to make a choice. We're at the bottom of the wedge now. You know what I mean? This choice is going to have to be made here. We only got a couple more days here to make this choice. This is the daily chart. So each one of these candles represents 1 day of time frame. As you can see today, we've made really yesterday, we made this really big jump up. We have 7 hours left on the daily candle right now for today. It would be nice if we could actually close this above this descending wedge. But right now, as you can see, we came up and it did hold as resistance, as well as the EMA bands holding as resistance. You can see they flipped on us and we are underneath of them. We are also underneath of the long-term trend right now. So it's not, that's not very bullish in my eyes, but what is bullish to me is all the fundamental analysis and all the different things that are going on in the crypto world. It's ridiculous, guys. There's a lot of different things here. I'm going to start doing live streams where I really get into explaining to you guys all the different things that are happening in many different ways, like yield farming, and just so many different ways you can make money even in a bear market. There's always money to make money when it comes to crypto. You know, it's a fact. There's so much money here, you know, when it comes to NFTs, when it comes to decentralized finance. I mean, you can just run this so many different ways. I'm not saying this because I'm not a YouTuber that's here to get you guys to invest in 50,000 different coins. I'm not going to sit here every week and tell you buy this coin, buy that coin, because I'm not trying to mess you guys up. I don't want to see you lose money. I want to see you make money because I want to make money. And I've always been taught, you know, to treat people how you want to be treated. And I would want people to give me information that's actually going to help me. And a lot of these YouTubers I would watch and I would see that they would have information and I felt it would be helpful to me. And then the more I started watching them, I'd realize, they're doing this for their own benefit. You look at their portfolios, you see them talking these coins, and then you realize they dumped the whole thing right after they talked about it. Once it fell off, and then it fell all the way off to nothing, losing 80-90% of its product, if not all of it. A lot of rug pulls, a lot of different things going on out here, guys. You just really need to be careful. Sorry. As you can see, I'm not a professional talker here, and I'm getting a little bit off my conversation. But like I said, we are in this descending wedge here. We are looking for a breakout to the upside. We could definitely break out to the downside. Don't get that twisted neither. Let me see right here. We are up at the very top right here, ready to break out. But as you can see right here on Market Cipher B, we are kind of overextended right here on the VWAP, and we are overbought on the stochastic. So we definitely need to come down a little bit, I believe. So I can see us coming back down into this range here. And you can see there's a really good trading channel right here between $46,000 and $49,000. Like really, like right here, where I'm like at the line at now, the white line here, the dotted line going across, then right here. Sorry, right about there. You can see that's a real good trading channel right there, about $3,000 trading channel. And you can make a lot of money in there just doing little swing trades on the lower time frames, guys. And when you want to use those lower time frames, that's when you want to click down to the smaller, like you get on a time frame like this and you say, hey, I like this. This is bullish. I feel this is going to work. Now let me look at the lower time frame and see where I'm going to make my entry at. Like you see, this is the daily time frame, each candle representing 1 day of time frame. Now, if I go to the 4 hours, now each candle represents 4 hours. So as you can see, it just stretched that way out because each candle is only 4 hours now. So it's a bigger pattern, a longer pattern. So you can see, looking at this, we've been in this descending trend for a long time now, guys. We're coming up right here. It looks like we're probably going to fail to break out right now. I would say we're definitely going to fail to break out right this second. We're going to come back down right into here, about $48,000, and then come back up and bust through. Or maybe we'll just get the volume that we need, because when you got low volume like this, it doesn't take a lot of volume just to push on through, but the volume has been coming back in because the market is going up. And when the market starts to go up, retail investors love the FOMO back in. But you guys want to buy when you want to set buy orders down at these levels. Down at, like, you see this wick that came all the way down here. You know, if you think the price can come back down here, but you don't believe it's going to drop below, like, let's say $40,000, then, you know, it would be smart to put some orders in down here. You know, put some limit orders down in here. So if the price falls back down here, it'll scoop it up for you. And, you know, you can make quick profit that way. I've done it many times, guys. You know, this is more, you know, I'm kind of all over the place in this video. I understand that, you know, but my point is here is, you know, the chart, and there's not too much here to show you guys. I mean, we're in the descending wedge. You can see we're going to break to the upside, or we're going to break to the downside. Right now, we're in this channel. It's as simple as that. You know, Bitcoin needs to make a decision here. But in the meantime, in the smaller time frame, you're definitely got a lot of different trades you can get into, especially, you know, I'm going to start talking about things like, you know, the Fibonacci's and things like that, and just different ways to show you guys, you know, when and where to take a trade, different indicators that you can use. Now, could you guys please hit that like button? Please hit the subscribe button. Help my channel out, man. Help me get this information out here. And I'm really going to get some good information to help you guys out. Once again, this is 100% Crypto, your boy Sparrow, and I'll see you later.